So you have up to 100,000 naira to 1 million that you want to invest and make cool money for yourself. Then I have 4 ways you can actually consider to do that. The fourth one, which is the last one, is definitely going to be your favorite. Just trust me, okay? Now, should in case you are coming across this channel for the first time, hi, welcome. My name is Leo and I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can actually make money online and offline. So do it to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, just go ahead and smash the subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, please don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload awesome video just like this one you're watching. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notification of a new video, and I do not take it for granted. Now, with all this thing being said, let's jump straight into the video. Now, we are going to be investing our 100,000 naira to 1 million. For the sake of this video, let's just make use of 1 million naira. All right, so I'm going to be showing you 4 ways you can actually invest your 1 million naira and make most profits out of your 1 million naira. All right, so I'm going to be giving you 4 ways you can actually invest it. So with this 1 million naira, we're going to be dividing it into 4 places. This is how we are going to be dividing it: 10, 10, 30, and 50 to make it 100, right? 10, 10, 30, and 50, which is 10%, 10%, 30%, and 50%. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you where we are going to be putting the 10%, 10%, then 30%, and 50%. So here comes the first place we are going to be investing our 1 million naira, right? So we're going to be using 30%, and then we're going to be investing it in treasury bills. Yes, treasury bills. Now, what is treasury bills? In a layman's understanding, we can say that treasury bills is you borrowing money to the government for them to use it and do whatever thing that pleases them, right? And then after that, they are going to pay you back the money you borrowed them and then add interest on the money you borrowed them. So they could pay you 17% or 18%, and they are going to be paying you this quarterly for the period of 1 year or 2 years, depending on the duration you choose yourself. All right, you could choose 1 year or 2 years. So in case you want me to do video on treasury bills, like making a detailed video on treasury bill, don't worry, just let me know in the comment section by typing treasury bill in the comment section, and I'm definitely going to make a video about treasury bill. Now, we've invested our 30% of 1 million in treasury bill, right? So I'm going to take us through the next investment or next place we are going to be investing our 1 million naira, right? So we're going to be investing 50% of our 1 million naira, which is 500,000 naira, into buying stocks. Yes, guys, stock is risky. In fact, business generally is risky, but I'm going to let you know ways you can actually invest in stock and then minimize risk, right? So if we are going to be buying the stock, we are going to be buying foreign stock and then Nigerian stock. All right, so out of the 50%, which is 500,000 naira of our 1 million, we're going to be using the sum of 200,000 naira to buy foreign stock. So here are the foreign stocks that I could recommend you buy. This is not a financial advice though. So I will recommend you buying Meta, which is Facebook, Tesla, right? And then Amazon and Apple. I know most of you watching this video are making use of iPhone, but iPhone or Apple is not paying you. But at the end of this video, Apple will definitely to start paying you, right? Say amen, amen. So we're going to be investing. We can make it 50,000, 50,000, 50,000 for the 4 stocks, which is Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and Meta, right? Which is Facebook. All right. So we can decide to invest 50,000 naira in this 4, or we can actually decide to choose only 2 stock, which is Tesla and then Facebook, which is Meta, and invest 100,000 naira in the 2 stock. Right now, we are done investing in foreign stock. We are going to move to Nigerian stock. So the Nigerian stock we are going to be investing in, we are going to be using 300,000. Remember, the 50% of our 1 million is 500,000, and we've already invested 200,000 naira in foreign stock, right? So it's remaining 300,000 naira. So this 200,000 naira, we'll be using it to invest in Nigerian stock. So here are the sum in Nigerian stock that you can consider to invest the 300,000 naira to. You can choose to invest in UBA, you can choose to invest in Zenith Bank, you can choose to invest in MTN, right? Remember, this is not a financial advice. So with this way you spread your money by buying this stock, you can actually minimize the risk there. So let's say a particular stock you bought is not doing well. The remaining one will actually do well to the extent that you can be able to cover up the loss you are making in a particular stock, right? So how do you buy this stock? So for you to be able to buy this stock, you'll be needing a middleman. Yes. What is a middleman? An intermediary. What do I mean by intermediary? Something that is going to link you, or something that is going to enable you to be able to buy the stock, which is a platform. So you are going to be needing a platform in order to be able to buy this stock, right? So which platform do you think you can be able to use? You can use Optimus, you can use AfriInvest, you can use Trove, you can use Bamboo. All right, I'm going to be leaving the link of these platforms in the description of this video and also in the comment section, right? So you can actually click on the link, get registered, make sure your BVN, your NIN is handy, and then your utility bill just for the registration aspect, for them to confirm your location and the rest of them. Just navigate through the registration aspect. It's very, very simple to do that. So that is how you can actually invest the 50% of your 1 million, which is 500,000 naira, right? Now, the third way you can actually invest your 1 million naira. Before going to the third way, I want you to do something for me. Go right now and click the like button of this video. If you have gotten to this extent of the video, just go now, click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are getting in today's video. Yes, just go ahead and click the like button. All right, and then if you're here to join this beautiful family, guys, look at, we are heading to 4,000 subscribers. Our goal this month is to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of this month. So just join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload a good video just like this one you are watching. Now, to the third way you can be able to invest your 1 million naira is through cryptocurrency. Yes, cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency can actually make you a millionaire within overnight. And the same way cryptocurrency can make you a millionaire within overnight is the same way cryptocurrency can send you to the village with that same overnight, right? Yes, so if you don't have a strong heart like me, if you don't have more heart like me, do not venture into investing into crypto. Now, why am I saying that? Tell me why I invested a sum of 220,000 naira in crypto using Luno. I'm going to be leaving it in the screen of this video so you can see what I'm saying. So tell me why I invested a sum of 220,000 naira, and as I'm making this video, I now have around 140 something thousand, which is I'm making loss, right? So am I afraid or am I panicking? No, because I know I'm investing for long term, 1 year, 2 years and above, right? So if you don't have that strong mind, you could actually go and pull your money there. You've already made loss. So if you can be able to invest for a long period of time, in fact, this is even the time I'm supposed to be buying more coin, right? Now, how do you invest into crypto? You don't take the 10% you have and then invest it in a particular coin, right? You just have to divide your 10% into different cryptocurrency. So I used the Luno, and the 220,000 naira I invested in crypto using Luno. Luno now helped me to divide it into several coins, I think up to 4 to 5 coins. Now, the coins you are going to be investing in are coins that has potential, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, SRP. I'm going to be leaving how Luno divided the 220,000 naira on the screen so you can actually use the same way, right? So that is how you can actually invest your 10% of your 1 million in order to make profits for yourself, right? Now, we are going to talk about the fourth way you can actually invest your 1 million naira, which is definitely going to be your favorite, and that is the laziest way you can be able to invest your money, right? Which is investing in fintech platforms. Yes, investing in fintech platforms. So which fintech platform do you think you can actually invest? You can actually use Optimus, you can actually use Piggyvest, all right? Yes. If you are to lock your whole 1 million, if you don't have the strength to start investing in treasury bills, stocks, crypto, and the rest of them, you just don't want to pass through those stress, you can actually decide to lock the 1 million and the whole 1 million naira using Optimus. If you can be able to lock it for a year, they can pay you the sum of 200,000 naira, which I am very sure your local bank can never pay you such amount. They can hardly pay you 1% or 2%, but if they can make use of this fintech, they can actually pay you up to 200,000 naira if you have to use Optimus. And then for Piggyvest, you can actually get probably 209,000 naira if you can lock up your 1 million naira for a period of 1 year. They can pay you up to 209,000 naira. All right, so that is it. But if you don't want to lock the whole 1 million, you want to divide it the way I just explained in this video, which is a 10%, 10%, 30%, and 50%, as I just explained it. You can actually put your 10% of your 1 million to the fintech platform, just to their service aspect of the platform, so you can actually be getting interest, right? Which I'm very sure your bank cannot give you up to the interest this fintech platform can give you. You can just put your 10% of the 1 million there, so you can actually have access to that 10% should in case we have any emergency. All right, so I think that is the perfect way you can actually invest your 1 million naira. Do I have any other thing I'm forgetting? I don't think so, but if you think I'm forgetting anything, just let me know in the comment section. But make sure you've clicked the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you got in today's video, and join this beautiful family by clicking that subscription button. It's very, very important. So never take anything from you or extra data or whatsoever. It's very free to subscribe. Go ahead, click the subscription button, but don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload awesome video just like this one you're watching. So guys, do you know you can actually invest in real estate with as little as 5,000 naira? Yes, I made a video showing you step by step how you can invest into real estate with as little as 5,000 naira, right? Yes, and make up to 30 to 34% of your investment. So I'm going to link the video on the screen right now so you can click it and watch for yourself and know how you can actually make money investing in real estate. Now, investing in real estate does not mean you'll be needing up to 100 million naira or 150 or 200 million naira before you can start investing in real estate. Don't worry, once you click on the video, you are going to love it. I'm very, very sure. All right, so click the video and I'll see you on the other side. And until next time I see you again, comrades, bye.